Ready for the vlog. Hey, what's going on? My name is Amir, and welcome back to another episode. And today, I am here at Charles' house with his brand new 2014 911 Turbo. Today, we're gonna be putting a brand new exhaust on his car, and also we'll be painting these wheels. These are some wheels that he got for the Porsche, as far as for the drag strip. We're gonna plasti-dip them black because we wanted to match his front wheels so it doesn't look so weird when he takes it to the drag strip, and it blends in a lot better. But while we're doing that and letting the coats dry and, you know, painting in between the coats, we're going to be installing a brand new titanium exhaust with downpipes, right?
It's actually not brand new, it's used, but
well, for you it's brand new on your car, so it's not stock anymore.
New.
It's new.
New.
What brand did you go with?
Agency Power, which is decent, but the downpipes are brand new. They're from Fab Speed.
We're gonna have to take off the bumper. I've never worked on a Porsche. He's never worked on a Porsche. Make it ready so we can work, you know, get to the exhaust. Can we see your exhaust pipes real quick? So this is the titanium exhaust. It doesn't look used though. It doesn't look brand new. But as far as the downpipes, they're in this box, right? Catless. That looks nice, dude. Now, before we work on the car, we can't work on the car without caressing, I guess, the moment with some nice beers. You gotta be 21 and older to do this, but hey, cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
Now I'm ready to work. Man, I'm sweating out here. Hey, Charles, so what do you think of the wheels, man? Check them out, bro.
You did a great job.
You sit like 15 feet away.
I was actually just posted about you, my man.
Yeah, check it out, man.
Oh my God, they're black like your...
Charles, you didn't tell me you wanted to paint the inside of the drum, so I did this with 2 cans.
This is my fault.
This should have actually been probably 3 cans, but we went over it. I painted the drums inside quickly, just kind of, you know, misted them so they're black and not that gold color. So we put a little bit of, you know, we put some coins in there so that's what you're supposed to do, put some coins in there so when the bolts come on, they don't rip the plasti dip. But this will dry, and this is good enough for the drag strip setup. So at least it matches, you know, the rest of his car.
You want to run a 10.5.
10.5.
Put these on.
What are these, NTO ones?
No, these are these are
Oh, Mickey Thompson's. Oh, okay.
These are
all right, Mickey Thompson's
radials.
drag radials. See what's crazy, man? After painting I don't feel my finger from pushing that damn. Anyway, and time to start working on the exhaust. We gotta take the bumper off. I have never even worked on a car, so I don't know how Charles is trusting me to work on his Porsche. Man, this guy's making me work. It's a Saturday, I'm working.
Sitting there, he just took over.
Yeah, Charles is like, yeah, let me kick back, bro.
You want some of my nuts?
You're what?
You want some? They're good.
You want some nuts?
You want some of my nuts?
I'm good, bro. I don't want any nuts. All right, so we did go online on YouTube. Hey, give a shout out to YouTube. We did go on YouTube and we checked out a few videos of how to remove this bumper, the wing that's hydraulic. So we're gonna follow those steps that we did see online to get the bumper off so we can get to the exhaust. So Charles, you ready to do this?
Ready to do this.
Let's get it, bro. Let's do it. Holy shit, this has probably got like 70, 60 pounds. Pick up the other one.
7 pounds.
Oh my God, dude. That alone is gonna give you like 2 seconds at a quarter mile, bro.
Let's go for 2.5.
Look at this. Guys, this is crazy.
See, this is why I don't... There's a reason. You didn't wear gloves.
So, we got the exhaust on. It was a lot easier to putting the new exhaust on than taking off the old one. But he's gonna do a cold start. Not everything is in place yet. We gotta put a couple clamps in. But we just wanna see what this thing sounds like. You should be able to hear the spool of the turbos since the cats are gone. So do a quick cold start. It's gonna be like 5-10 seconds. We don't want it to get too hot because we still gotta work on it. Alright, I'm gonna end today's vlog. This is it, all f***ing day I've been working on this damn car. And if you haven't hit up the channel, check out the channel, browse the channel. I got a bunch of videos on there, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, buy a hat, buy shirts, buy all this. I'll see you guys next time.